In this video, I'm going to show you how to change VoiceOver Speech Voice. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and get into Accessibility. Next, tap Add VoiceOver and next hit on Speech. Now there you can get into voice, and as you see there are a lot of different voices that you can use for voiceover. Now by default is selected Daniel in UK box, but you can select any other voice, just simply hit on them. You can hit there at play button to listen how that voice sounds, and also there just beside the voice name here is a cloud icon. You can tap on that icon to actually download this voice on your device, and then you can actually use this voice. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.